Hello, my name is Nikki Cottam, and I wanted to talk about an exciting event that is coming up. It's called Essential Oils in the Bible. It's a presentation that I will do live on November 24th or online on December 8th in the evening. And this event is all about how essential oils were used biblically. Moses used them, Esther used them, our Savior Jesus Christ used them during his ministry. They were powerful for healing and wellness, for emotional wellness, for cleansing, for boosting the mind and the mood. There's a blend in the Bible called the oil of gladness, and it tells you what essential oils were in that. And I get to talk about these things. I get to use the historical research that has been done. And I'm also going to be taking some emotional components that the essential oils bring and why they were used. For example, why were frankincense and myrrh the essential oils given to baby Jesus? Why did Esther, the queen in the Old Testament, use myrrh essential oil? And I get to go into those and tell the story and explain why these things are so amazing. So this is the essential oils in the Bible. And I wanted to announce that usually I do this class for free, but this year I have a bigger vision. So I just moved out to Utah, and in this process, I've really been part of this creation process with this idea of starting a holistic and clinical wellness center in Utah, and it will compile clinical approaches that are safe and effective, as well as holistic approaches that are safe and effective to work in tandem to address individuals at their biological and unique level. So here is what I have so far as what my vision looks like. So it's pretty cool. I want to have a wall in there of all the babies that are brought into the world because of something that I or one of the clinicians or professionals there helped with. So I want to have a wall dedicated to all the babies. And I already am acquiring photos of all the babies that I have helped through my own expertise and certifications, that I have helped women be able to bring babies into the world. And it's my honor, my privilege to do that. It's my greatest joy to bring these amazing babies into the world. And so that is a forefront important to me. And then I want to have a place in there for playtime, for children to come with their parents when their parents are receiving treatments, or even the clinicians themselves can bring their children and not be too far away, and children can play and learn and just be kids and have a safe space. So there will be counseling, grief counseling, fertility counseling, therapy, other holistic approaches. We're working on chiropractic, acupuncture, and a whole range of other neat therapies and massages and other techniques to help women become fertile, help them get there, help them maintain a beautiful pregnancy, have great results, and also addressing the whole family, children, the spouses involved, and all of that, so that we're working together using nutrition and emotional wellness, physical, biological alignment, and all of that. So I am really excited to talk about this. So proceeds will go to that. So it's $20. It's well worth the price. These essential oils in the Bible class is phenomenal. So definitely go register for that, and proceeds will go to this clinic. And so I am so excited for these two wonderful things that I have been able to be part of creating. So please feel free to join me in this wonderful effort and process and journey, and have a wonderful holiday season.